Mr. President, I rise to urge my colleagues to vote for the confirmation of two of New Jersey's most outstanding judicial professionals to fill two vacancies for the United States District Court judges for the District of New Jersey. And I understand that vote will be taking place around noon. Both of these very qualified women are now United States magistrate judges. Judge Cecchi and Judge Esther Salas are among the most respected leaders in New Jersey's judicial community. Both have demonstrated skill and professionalism on the bench and an impressive ability to manage the heavy and complex dockets before them. Judge Cecchi has a broad range of litigation experience, having worked in the private sector for over 14 years. After serving in the Office of Corporation Counsel for the City of New York, she practiced with Robinson, St. John and Wayne, and later with Robinson, Lapidus, and Lavelli, both large and well-respected New Jersey firms. Mr. President, she has been no stranger to complex litigation for both defendants and plaintiffs. In the course of her distinguished career, she has focused on a range of challenging issues, from security litigation and complex tort matters to employment law, criminal cases, construction cases, and contracts. In handling a case involving a suit by the Securities and Exchange Commission, a prominent case against two companies in federal court in the Southern District of New York, Judge Cecchi demonstrated outstanding legal skills. She was singled out by many in the legal profession in New Jersey for her depth and range of knowledge on the subject and for her conduct of the case. Judge Cecchi later went to the firm of Carpenter, Bennett & Morrissey, the second oldest law firm in New Jersey, where she worked for almost a decade, developing a range of litigation experience in environmental and toxic tort cases, class actions, patent cases, and employment law. She is a graduate of Fordham University and Barnard College at Columbia University and began her career clerking for the Honorable Kevin Thomas Duffy of the Southern District of New York. As a U.S. magistrate judge, she has shown a unique set of judicial skills that make her an exceptional choice for the position of United States District Court judge for the District of New Jersey, and I urge my colleagues to vote to confirm her nomination. Magistrate Judge Esther Salas has been an exceptional public servant. In 2006, she became the first Hispanic to serve as a United States magistrate judge for the District of New Jersey. In her handling of a docket of well over 400 cases, she has earned the respect of many in the legal community who have said that she is the finest judge they have worked with in many years of practice. In a 10-year environmental dispute involving 350 attorneys, she managed the resulting avalanche of motions and counter-motions, including federal and state claims, for more than $300 million in cleanup costs and damages. Her handling of the case prompted several lawyers not only to credit her with being the principal moving force in bringing the parties to agreement, but recommending her to the Judiciary Committee with their unqualified support. Prior to serving as a U.S. magistrate judge, Judge Salas worked for almost 10 years in the Federal Public Defender's Office, where she zealously provided her clients with the best legal advice and skilled defense in what were often difficult and complex cases. Judge Salas clerked with distinction for Superior Court Judge Eugene Cody, a proud New Jerseyan. She earned her degrees from Rutgers University and Rutgers University Law School. She is a respected member of the New Jersey State Bar, a past president of the Hispanic Bar of New Jersey, and an extraordinary jurist. Mr. President, these two extraordinary nominees, two of New Jersey's most respected legal professionals, both deserve confirmation by the full Senate as U.S. District Court judges for the District of New Jersey. I urge my colleagues to confirm the nominations and give New Jersey two respected and distinguished district court judges who have earned the confidence of the legal community in my state, the recommendation of the Judiciary Committee, and in my view deserve a unanimous vote in the full Senate. Thank you, Mr. President. With that, I yield the floor and observe the absence of a quorum.
Clerk will call the roll.